Today I will show you how to create a vintage look by rounding the edges in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Over here in DaVinci I have our sample footage. Make sure that it's selected and navigate to the Fusion tab. From here, from the menu, we need to drag and drop the rectangular mask above our footage. Make sure that you will connect it like this. Make it one screen and open the inspector panel. You've noticed that our footage shrink, so let's fix it here. Width and height. Go all the way. Same for the height. Now I will zoom in, so you will notice how the edges will be rounded. We are going to work with corner radius. Just slightly go up and here's the effect. Let's go in the edit so you will notice it. And that's how easy it is to round the edges in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.